Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to solve ZebPay cannot access website error very easily. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so I am on their official website, their help center. So if you're using mobile data, just try switching to a Wi-Fi connection if you can, to check if it works fine on your Wi-Fi connection. Also check that you have good network connectivity while using the app, and also ensure that your registered mobile number is being used on the same device on which the app is installed, and please ensure that you have updated the app to the latest version. For Android users, just clear the cached data from your device by going into settings, apps, ZebPay, clear cache, log out from the application and log in again. You can also try refreshing your app by tapping on the three lines on the top left corner of the screen, and then just tapping on the refresh icon in the top right corner if you experience such an issue. If after doing all of this the issue is still not resolved, as a last resort, simply try reinstalling the ZebPay mobile app and try accessing the app again. So this should fix the problem. If it doesn't, you can try contacting ZebPay support on their website. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.